Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the class. So today I am going to teach you parts of the body. So what is today's class, children? Parts of the body. In our body, we will have different types of parts. In our body, we will have different types of parts. Some parts we can see and some parts we cannot see. Means eyes, nose, mouth, ears, all this we can see. These are external parts. There are some internal parts. Those are heart, kidney, lungs. All those are internal parts. Okay. Let us learn today some parts. So, all of you see this chart. In this chart, we had little babies, right? And parts. So, if you observe this chart, parts are identified, right? So, let us see our body parts and what we call those body parts. Okay? Let us come to eyes, children. See this baby, these two are eyes, right? These two are eyes. So, eyes are the body part. One of the body part. These two are eyes and this is nose. So with eyes we can see the things and we can see the objectives. With the eyes we can see the things and we can see our surrounding. So eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to see. And next one is nose. This is nose, children. This is nose. Nose helps us to smell. Nose helps us to smell. And it helps us to take breath. It helps us to take breath. Without nose, we can't take breath. Without taking breath, we can't survive. So, nose helps us to smell and take breath. So, this is nose. See, children, I am pointing out the body part which I am explaining. Okay? These are eyes. Eyes helps us to see and this is nose. Nose helps us to smell and breathe. Okay? Coming to the third part, this is mouth. This is mouth. So, mouth helps us to talk. Mouth helps us to talk and eat. Mouth helps us to talk and eat. Okay, children, this is mouth. And this is chin. And this is chin. Right, chin. This part is we call as a chin. And these two are ears. These two are ears. Ears helps us to listen. Ears helps us to listen, children. Ear helps us to listen. And this is forehead. See here. This one is forehead. Means this is forehead. What is this, children? What is this body part? This is forehead. And this is head. This is head. And this is hair. Head, hair. So, these all are the parts of the face. So, these are all the parts of the face. So, what are the parts of the face, children? Eyes, nose, mouth, chin, ears, head and hair and forehead. What is this? Forehead. And these two called cheeks. These two are called cheek. See here, cheek. These two are called cheeks. These two are called cheeks, children. So these are face body parts, children. Okay, let us recap once again, children. So what are the body parts in a face? In a face, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, chin, forehead, cheeks, head, hair. So these are the parts in the face, children. So in previous classes you all learned about some sense of organs, right? So what are those sense of organs we had learned in previous class, children? About eyes, mouth, ears, nose, fingers, tongue, teeth, right? So once let us recall that, okay? So eyes. With the help of eyes, what we can do, children? With the help of eyes, we can see. With the help of eyes, we can see. And this is mouth. So with the help of the mouth, what we can do, children? With the help of the mouth, we can eat, we can talk. So with the help of the mouth, we can eat and we can talk. And this is ear. So with the help of the ear, we can listen sounds. With the help of the ear, we can listen sounds. And this is nose. So with the help of the nose, we can smell and we can take breath. So with the help of the nose, we can smell and we can take breath. And next, teeth. These are teeth, right? So with the help of the teeth, we can chew. We can chew and we can bite. We can chew and we can bite. When you are going to eat apple, you all take bites, right? With the help of the teeth, you all take small bites and you will eat. So with the help of the teeth, we can bite and we can chew. And tongue. So with the help of the tongue, we can feel the taste of the food item. So with the help of the tongue, we can feel the taste of the food items. So like when we eat chocolates, we can feel it as a sweet. So with the help of the tongue only, we can feel it as a sweet. When you eat the lemon, you can feel very bitter, right? So with the help of the tongue, you can feel that taste. So tongue helps us to taste. And fingers. These are fingers, right? So with the help of the fingers, we had grip to hold the things. With the help of the fingers, we had grip to hold the things, and with the help of the fingers, we can write. So with the help of the fingers, we had grip on the things and we can write. So these are the some face body parts, children. No, fingers are the not parts of the face. Eyes, mouth, ear, nose, teeth, tongue, and forehead, cheeks, chin. These are the body parts of the face, children. Okay, let us learn some more body parts in tomorrow's class, children. Okay, children, all of you have a nice day. Bye, children.